In addition to adding flanges using the edge flange and miter flange features we've already seen, you can also create flanges by bending flat pieces of sheet metal. You can do this using the Sketched Bend feature. Let's take a look at an example. Here we have a flat base flange. You might recall that when the base flange feature is used, the part is defined as a sheet metal part, making other sheet metal features available. One of those features is the Sketched Bend. When you click the Sketched Bend icon on the sheet metal toolbar, SOLIDWORKS prompts you to select a face to sketch on. I'll select this face. The sketch used for this feature requires a line that will define the location of a bend. I'll sketch a line that goes from one side of this inner tab to the other. The line does not have to cross the entire tab to bend it. I can sketch the line smaller than the tab if I wish. However, if you attach the line segment to each side of the tab, you can prevent errors that might come up in the future if you make changes to the shape and size of the tab. Another reason to attach the line segment is to prevent the line from extending into the surrounding material. If the line is long enough to extend into the surrounding material, it'll be affected by the bend as well. Once the sketch is complete, I'll exit the sketch to bring up the Sketched Bend Property Manager. The first item is a selection box prompting you to select a fixed face. When using the Sketched Bend feature, one side of the sketch line will remain unchanged while the other side is bent. By clicking a face, you will define the side that will remain stationary. I'll click on this side of the line, and you can see the selection box is filled. Next is the option to choose where the bend is located in relation to the sketch line. You can choose between center line, material inside, material outside, or the entire bend outside. These options will be available with most sheet metal features that create new bends, such as the edge flange and miter flange that we've already seen. Bends created using the Sketched Bend feature can be any angle from 0 to 360 degrees. You enter the angle here, and you can use the reverse direction button if you need to change the bend to the opposite side. Now, we've also seen these last options in previous features. They allow you to change the default bend radius and bend allowance. I'll use the defaults in this case. Once you click OK, SOLIDWORKS adds the bend.